Imagine never having to sit in a dealership waiting room again. Or how about having your vehicle serviced while you're in your office at work? One of the best features most people don't even know Ford offers is pickup and delivery. Here's how it works. When your vehicle is due for service, just contact me or our service department. We'll help schedule a convenient time, and if your service qualifies and pickup is available, your vehicle can be picked up right from your home or workplace. It'll be brought to OTIS Ford. The scheduled service will be completed. A complimentary multi-point inspection will be performed. The vehicle's washed, and when it's ready, it's delivered right back to you at your home or at your work. No waiting room, no asking for someone for a ride, no wasting half your day. It's just one more way I help make owning a vehicle as easy as buying one. I'm Bill, the Long Island Ford guy, building relationships that outlast the transaction from Queens to Quogue and beyond. Let's get you driving.